In this video, I'm going to teach you how to hide photos and videos in iPhone 17. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. On modern iPhones, you can freely hide any photos and videos that you choose from your Photos app. To do this, first, open the Photos app, select a specific picture or video that you would like to hide, and when you tap on these three dots, it should be one of the options listed here. So right behind or below duplicate, you will see hide. Choose this option, and now the specific picture or video that you selected will be hidden from plain view. In order to access this, you need to go to the hidden album. If for whatever reason this isn't enabled by default, you can head over into the settings of the Photos app and enable it here. Once Hidden Album has been enabled, it is going to appear in the Albums tab under Utilities, and all of the pictures and videos that you labeled as hidden will be available for you to access in there. So go over to the albums or collections, and as you can see clearly under Utilities, we have the Hidden category. So all of the pictures, videos, and so on that you tapped on that option for, when you tap the three dots, will be sent to this album. It is protected, so even if someone else grabs a hand of your iPhone, they shouldn't be able to access this. You will open the photos, go over to collections, and access the hidden category now available here. If you aren't using it, then of course you can disable this option at any time and then enable it again once you want to access its contents. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.